here are the latest price moves in crypto today. Starting with the general crypto market, we can see that Bitcoin is down only 0.02%, still above $26,000, so essentially flatlined out there for the day. And with Ethereum not too far off from that, it's down 0.12% at $1,648. BNB is showing another green day, up a little bit more, up 0.56%, around $217. But then we look at some of the more significant movers. So scrolling on over here, we can see Flex. Flex is down 5%, excuse me on that. Flex is down 5%, and then we also have LDO, which is down 5.25%. And then we also have some green going on here, pretty heavy on RLB. That one is up 20.12%. And then we have also BTCB. That one is up 164.46%. Moving over to the Bitcoin trading charts here on the day. Oh, there we go. I drew these lines in my video yesterday and they didn't show up on the graph. So now they showed up. That was kind of weird. So we can see that Bitcoin is still moving in this sideways consolidated channel, and unfortunately we do still see that 50 moving average dropping down, suggesting a convergence happening here if the trend pattern continues, as the 200 moving average is slightly slanted upwards, suggesting the time frame of convergence to be expedited. If we had the 200 moving average also going down, they would be moving parallel to one another essentially, which would help in the delay process of things, but unfortunately we do see that climbing up. So there is some concern there. I would be more concerned with Ethereum. We'll be talking about that in just a moment. So moving over to BNB, we do have 3 nice green candle days of BNB moving up, but a red candle formation showing on this trading chart, which is interesting. This is off of the Binance side, because remember, if we go over to the general market here on Coin360, it actually suggests that it's up 0.6%. So according to this one, it's down 0.5% on the Binance trading platform, but around $217. So it's nice to see that that is making a little bit of some moves up, but it still has to try and get above $224. And then we want to see that nice green line, that 50 moving average, also starting to make its move up, as it's been in this descending channel for quite a while now. It had that convergence take place back over around June 16th. Now looking at Ethereum, we can see that that 50 moving average is continuing on its downwards path, and the 200 moving average is essentially flatline, but it is slightly slanted upwards. And with this trajectory, it kind of looks like they might be on track right around the end of August, the beginning of September, that we could see that crossover, that death cross formation, and we might see a big drop take place. So right now, Bitcoin not looking so great in that perspective. Ethereum is actually much worse. There's not much of a price difference between these two. And we do have 2 days of red for Ethereum, but essentially moving in the consolidated channel, just like with the other ones. We also see a drop in volume on the day in comparison to the previous day. But as of the time we're recording this video, there's still several hours left. We got about just a little bit less than 3 hours left to go. Moving on to Safemoon on the Binance Smart Chain, it's up 1.71% with $28,000 in buy volume versus $15,000 in sell volume. Safemoon on Polygon is up 0.11%, $4,400 in buy volume, $150 in sell volume. Safemoon on Ethereum is down 0.18%, $40 in buy volume versus $78 in sell volume. And Blockbuster Tech is up 4.78%, $4,600 in buy volume versus $2,200 in sell volume. Pepe is looking like it is hurting over on the Safemoon swap. It's down 6.32%, $2,600 in buy volume, $10,000 in sell volume. So do keep in mind that there are several trades that have taken place for today, and we do see that there were a couple trades that had taken place yesterday, but then there was nothing that happened for 2 days, and then there was nothing that happened for 3 days before that, and we are not seeing a lot of transactional trading volume for the Safemoon swap with Pepe, but Pepe is still on a lot of people's radars in general. And yeah, so those are the latest updates in prices going on for you guys today. I know the crypto market is not necessarily doing a whole lot right now, and a lot of people would really wish and hope that this would be going up. I am one as well that wishes that it would be going up. But you know what, guys? It is what it is. Like, we're still considered in a bear market. There's been these cusp opportunities where it looked like we're on the verge of breaking out. We had a little bit of recovery going on there for a bit. But there's still concerns, right? So the halving event for Bitcoin is happening next year, but we still got quite a ways to go until that happens. There are still opportunities that could cause this to go up. One of the biggest passing factors would be, or factors that I would take into consideration, would be the passing of Bitcoin ETFs on the spot market over here in the United States. There's a whole handful of them. I did a previous video talking about this stuff. If that happened, a lot of people have speculated in the past that that would be very bullish for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin went on a strong rally, lo and behold, we would very likely see a lot of the other top 100 cryptocurrencies, at least, a lot of them would also likely move. So let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. And I've mentioned this previously. There's a Webull link down in the description. So guys, if you want to get some free stock, if you want free stock, then you can go ahead and check that out. I've been using Webull now for a couple years. It's to be able to trade US-based stocks, but they do have a separate app that is available. You can also trade some cryptocurrencies there too. And if you use my referral, you can get those stock bonuses, and you can also refer your own friends. It's not like I have an exclusive thing going on with them. So you can get benefits yourself too. And it's nice when you're seeing conditions in the market like what we have to be able to reap some sort of benefits in it, at least by these referral type systems. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin now suggestively just flatlined. We'll see how things play out. And that's what I got for you guys in the video. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafemoon.com and Safemoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.